Well, we're going fishing this morning with my Uncle Scotty. Probably on Pyramid Lake. Just little lakes, or you can only have like a 9.9 or something on them. You can't really. Anyway, they're just like a troll only lake, but should be fun. Anyway, thanks for subscribing, and I don't know. We'll see you later. Well, we're going into Sparta.
Big city.
Big metropolis of Sparta. We can't show you the driver. He's on the endangered species list. So, you know. But I got me and Chucky. He's sitting in the back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On the run.
Yeah. Right here.
Right here.
Get over.
That's what Chad from This and That Garage always says. Right here. Right here.
We got our done hats on.
Yeah.
You done?
We done did it.
Well,
They got some pretty good stuff.
yeah, they do.
They got a lot of hunting stuff.
Yeah, they
I'd
got
say
a
it's
lot of
more
hunting.
hunting than it is anything.
Yeah, they got a lot of hunting clothes.
But they got some tackle.
Yeah,
I think a lot of what they have, it all works.
their selection's pretty good too.
Yeah. Sure has changed around here.
That ain't no kid.
There's your buddy in front of us.
Who's that?
Fatty.
Oh, Fatty.
Fat man.
Yeah, I was thinking the other day I moved in 2002. I've been gone 21 years.
21 years.
What?
I lived here in 87.
Yeah. That's whack.
I don't even know. I can't even do math right now. 30 some odd years. Anyway, we
36 to be exact.
could. 36, you figured it out?
Yeah, when you moved to Houston.
Yeah. Sorry, I was having a Joe Biden moment.
No, that'd be a Mitch McConnell moment.
Oh,
where
Mitch,
it
yeah.
freezes.
Yeah.
Yeah, the stroke.
Yeah.
Knew a guy used to work for Carolina Rain, you know. And old Ren, you know, he could deal with one guy one-on-one great. But as soon as somebody else started talking, like in his vicinity, he'd always go, You're like, it was funny, you know.
His hard drive was glitching, huh?
Yeah, like John Fetterman.
Like Fetterman, oh my god.
Yeah. Wore a hoodie to the White House.
Yeah.
It's my personal fashion statement, man.
Yeah.
It's like Idiocracy. Pretty soon we're gonna have the guy with the big gold chains hanging around his neck.
And that now they won't be putting water on plants, they put Gatorade on it.
Yeah. Anyway, we're hopped up on humor this morning, so we're just doing what we can do, I guess. Anyway,
Gotta fix a pedestal.
gotta fix a pedestal, that's right. Got a pedestal on the boat and a champion.
New spark plug.
New spark plugs, because I think they run a lot better on them champion plugs. Most people would agree. Had some NGKs. Some of the lakes around here, they're idle only. You can't get up on plane or do anything. Some of them you can't even fire up a big motor. But anyway, we're gonna see if we can't try to get something done today and fixed. Of course, the
With a capital T.
yeah,
Try.
fixed. Yeah. And then the guy on the endangered species list, he's got to go work on his son's house because he don't know what he's doing. But he's a super good guy. Oh, he says this. Seriously,
Put my son like that.
Don't say that.
we love you, Clint. We hope you get her done. Get her done, get her done.
You might want to edit that out.
Yeah, I'd say.
Well, yeah, we can do whatever editing we need to do, you know.
He just, Scott, forgive him. He just pulled the frannies off,
Yeah.
you know.
Hard to him. He's getting her done. Built a hell of a house.
Yeah. Well, so far it's a bust. I haven't even had a bite. Can't figure out what to do. So, that's what it looks like. Just a strip pit. Dug a hole, put some water in it. So right here we just saw a bunch of smallmouth jump out of the water. Can't figure out what they want. They're probably cruising back and forth, but Chuck's got a buzz bait on now, but so far we haven't caught not a thing.
Not fine.
So can't even, I don't know, I can't even get the famous stick fish or anything.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Chuck just finally caught a nice bass on a buzz bait.
Ooh, I gotta be
Got
careful about Gotty's eyeball.
Oh, well, you're just gonna have to
Hand
get
me
it out.
those, yeah, I don't know. Boy, he's good.
Pop him out of there. You may have to get that pair of pliers. You're gonna lose his eyeball. Though.
No, I ain't.
He's like, oh man, he's scared. There you go. Now you can get him out.
He's been caught before.
Probably.
He's been caught
But
before.
here, look out. I mean,
There he is.
there you go.
There he is.
I don't know. He's measuring or no? 14 inches, 15 inches.
Probably over 14, ain't he?
Yeah, he's probably about 15.
The thing is in there.
The measure.
The measure. Here, let me get up here so somebody can.
I wish you'd get out of the way.
Yeah, 'cause you're about to push me into the lake. Well, we've been struggling.
Jeff,
Right.
can you just take this net, please?
Yeah.
Do you have on white, Chuck?
I want to measure him.
Well, hang on. I'm trying to get us out of here. Or, back us up.
Never mind.
Here. What are you saying?
15 and a half inches.
15 and a half inches, guys.
Yes.
There you go. Good job, Chucky. At least we caught one. I caught a catfish. Go figure.
buzzbait.
Like Ed Bassmaster. Alright, Scotty, hold that up, buddy. Yeah, man. See, you just caught him a nice one doing on a buzzbait. So the white buzzbait is happening, man. You gotta. We're gonna weigh him because I mean, that's
Well,
got.
you need to see how long he is.
Yeah.
I think he's over 18.
Okay. Hold him while you get clamped in there. .40. So that's
4 ounces.
no 4.40. It's almost 4.5 pounds. 4.5 would be 4.5 pounds.
Yeah.
See how long he is, Chuck. Well, give me that 4.
Nice fish.
Here.
Here, look how, so we can, he's longer than the frickin' scale.
Yeah. Oh,
What,
he's
21,
21 inches, something like that.
What'd you say?
21, something like that.
22, that'd be about right.
Nice fish.
Yeah,
Give him a
it
big
is.
kiss. There you go. That's a good fish. Good job. Smile for
Well.
the camera.
The old buzzbait.
Yeah.
The old white buzzbait.
He's like, all right, let me go so I can go catch another one.
Nothing all day. And
I caught another one off of Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Grab your pole. Don't lose that.
I had to oil it.
Had no oil it. Nice. He ain't as big as the first one, but 19.
Oh, 17 and a half.
Yeah. All right. Good job.
That's fun.
All
Another one, Rob.
right. All I caught was a catfish, and Scotty caught two nice bass. One was almost 4.5 pounds, and then another 3-pounder. He didn't weigh it, but it was like 17 inches, so it's got to be 3 pounds. And Chucky caught one, I think,
It was 15 and a half.
15 and a half.
Yeah.
So the buzzbait, the white buzzbait,
It kind of, my bite kind of started the firestorm, you know. Because we found a cove, little cove, shallow cove. And on the entrance, I caught the first one. And then as we got deeper in there, that's when Scott caught the two big ones.
Yeah, they kind of had them holed up back there.
Yeah.
You know, this lake's got several 5-pounders in it, I believe.
Yeah, it's September, and those fish get kind of in a funk with that water, turning over. And I don't know if it started here yet, but I imagine it's getting ready to.
Yeah. But anyway, Scotty got out the buzzbait, got her done, man. A couple of nice fish. They got a slot limit here, 14 to 18 inches or something like that. So, you know, we didn't take them, of course. We just put them back. But, yeah, 4.5-pound bass is not a bad fish, you know.
That's the same crop I had.
Anyway, I guess, well, we had to try to at least go fishing while we're up here. Anyway, thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting, liking the videos. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.